Your cruise ship docks in Nassau, and you want a drink. Not a $120 shore excursion with watered-down rum punch. A real bar, cold beer, good food, walking distance from the ship. I'm about to show you 3 bars within 5 minutes of the Nassau cruise port. And I'm giving you each one the worth it or skip it verdict. Let's go. I'm covering all 3, starting with Nassau's only craft brewery. First stop, Pirate Republic Brewing Company. 2-minute walk from the port. This is the only craft brewery in the Bahamas. IPAs, Pilsners, Porters, even a mango wheat. I ordered a flight, 4 pours, $12. The IPA is solid, hoppy, clean finish. The space itself, air conditioned. That matters more than you think when it's 90 degrees and humid. Pirate Republic Brewing is worth it. Craft beer air conditioning, and it's the only spot in Nassau you can say you drank a beer brewed in the Bahamas. Our next stop brings us to the Bearded Clam. 2-minute walk from Pirate Republic. Some might call this a dive bar, others say it's a sports bar with TVs on the walls. Whatever's on, they've got it. Cold Kalik. That's the local Bahamian beer. $6 a bottle. That's the cheapest beer you're going to find within walking distance of the cruise port. The vibe here is relaxed. Locals and cruisers mixed together. No one's rushing you, no pressure to order food or close out. If you just finished an excursion and you want a cold drink without any fuss, this is your spot. Simple as that. The Bearded Clam is worth it. Cheapest beer near the port, Caribbean bar atmosphere, and you're less than 5 minutes from the ship. Fat Tuesday, right near the port. You'll see the bright colored building from the ship. This is the party spot. Frozen drinks, loud music, yard glasses. It's basically a spring break bar that happens to be next to the cruise terminal. I ordered the Cat 5 Hurricane, their signature frozen drink. They also do combo flavors like Miami Vice. Half pina colada, half strawberry daiquiri. About $12. The food is good, especially their quesadillas. Fat Tuesday is worth it. Go for one drink, enjoy the view, then move on. Here's how I drank them. If you want craft beer and air conditioning, Pirate Republic. First stop, 3 minutes from the ship. If you want the cheapest cold beer and a game on TV, Bearded Clam. $6 for Kalik, and you're in and out in 30 minutes. If you want a frozen drink, hit Fat Tuesday. Enjoy the view, then move on. It's the priciest stop. You can do all 3 in under 2 hours for about $40 a person. That's less than half of what the cruise line charges for their Nassau bar hop excursion. And you're walking back to the ship on your own schedule. I'll leave a link in the description to my Amazon storefront. Cruise essentials I actually pack. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I release new port guides every week to save you time and money. I'm Andy Hodges for Cruiser's Choice. I'll see you at the next port.